Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I have a gift idea video for you today. This is an actual little gift basket that I made that I'm giving to a close friend of mine. And I thought, since we're in the time of year, it is November already, which is crazy, I thought, why not film it? I actually did not originally plan to film this, but on my last gift idea video, a bunch of you had commented that you would like to see more gift ideas. So this is for a close friend of mine. My budget was about $50, and whenever I have a budget for a gift, I always, when I'm making a basket that is, I always like to count the actual basket or vessel as part of that $50 budget. We do gift to about 35 to 40 people every year for Christmas. Of course, that includes friends, close friends, obviously family, and then my son's teachers, my son's therapists, just people in our lives that we just want to give a little something to. We don't spend $50. I don't spend $50 on every friend, every teacher, every, therapist, everybody in our lives, because if you do the math, 35 to 40 people times $50 each is obviously a big chunk of change. But we do start saving for Christmas and gifting season in the summertime. It's something we've done for about 10 years since our son, I think when I was pregnant, we started doing that. Every summer we would start saving for the holidays so that when November rolls around and we are in the swing of gifting and Christmas ideas and Christmas gifts, we already have all the money we need to buy everything. So again, this basket was $50, everything in it. The actual basket itself, I found at the Target dollar spot, although I don't think it's called that anymore. I think it's called like Bullseye's Playground. I could be wrong. But it was $5. It's a black mesh style metal basket with these two like wooden handles. And I thought it was just the perfect size. I tried to, when I make gift baskets, I try to get baskets that I think the person would use beyond just holding their gift, that they could use somewhere in their home. I try to find, something that's their style. So anyways, this is for a close friend of mine. I pretty much know all of her favorite things, so I try to sort of go with that theme as far as her favorite things, her interests. And I'm just gonna pull everything out like I always do and show you everything that's inside, and I will try to tell you guys the prices. So the first couple things I got were these Pocky treats. This one is strawberry covered biscuits, and this one is cookies and cream. I originally bought these for someone else, but then I remembered while I was making this basket that my girlfriend really loves these. I can always just repurchase these again. They were like $1 and change for each box, I believe, at Walmart. So those two things. This particular friend loves snacks, which I know she loves these. Actually, all the snacks in here I know she loves. She also, a hobby of hers is creating her own like cocktails. She likes to do like mixology and just create different like signature drinks. It's something that she finds really fun. So you will see some adult beverage things in here. She also loves these Andes candies, or Andes mint chocolate candies. She calls them the Olive Garden candies because Olive Garden always gives you these. These were $1. I found them at, I think it's like Family Dollar or one of the dollar stores, but it was not Dollar Tree. So just a little bag of these Andes chocolate mint candies. And then again, going with that theme of mixology, let me pull all the little bottles out. So I got 5 little mini bottles, mainly for the novelty, but again, I think she will have fun, using these to make little drinks. So the first one is a cucumber flavored vodka, by Stoli. The second is a Smirnoff peppermint twist. The third is a Fireball, which is a cinnamon whiskey. Then there is a peanut butter whiskey, which I thought was pretty cool. And then a Jim Beam peach. These were $1 each, so $5 at the liquor store for these. My liquor store, well, one of them anyways, has just like a whole barrel of different minis, and they're all $1, which is a great deal. And I definitely plan to get more of these for other people. This, by the way, is not a Christmas gift. It is a birthday gift, which is why I'm filming it in the beginning of November, because I have to give it to her actually tomorrow. Moving along, the next thing I grabbed were these Thinful birthday cake snack mix, I guess you'd call it. This one has popcorn, caramel corn, twist and waffle pretzels. It says tossed in our signature birthday cake glaze, finished with rainbow sprinkles. And she loves anything birthday cake, cake batter, anything cake flavor. I know before when we've gotten like ice cream together or something, she always goes for like the cake batter, birthday cake ice cream. I don't know, so I just thought this looked really unique. I did find these at Walmart, it was about $4. I think it was like $3.89 or $3.97 or something in that range. She loves Tate's cookies. These are huge here. These are made in the Hamptons of New York. I don't live anywhere near the Hamptons, but I am in New York State. But anyways, Tate's cookies are just really big here where I live. A lot of people love them. And this is one of their limited edition like holiday flavors. It's the cinnamon brown sugar. And I know she definitely has not had these yet, but she does love all of the other Tate's cookie flavors. So when I saw these, I thought not only are they pretty, but I know she hasn't had them. And I think she would really like them because she does love Tate's in general. These were $4 and change. I'm trying to remember to tell you guys prices. This here is actually just, I'm going to count this as like a couple dollars. I actually got this. This was just in my gift closet stash, but it is just a Vera Bradley. It's called a tech case. I'm going to take this price tag off. It's called a tech case, but obviously you can use it for anything. I actually have a couple of these that I own personally, and sometimes I'll put things like first aid related things, little makeup-y type of things, but she always loves like my little pouches and my little organizational bags inside my bags. So I just grabbed this again out of my gift closet. I am not sure what I paid for this, but I'm pretty sure it was under $5. But I'm almost even going to count this as a freebie just because it's been in my gift closet for a while, over a year, and I really honestly do think it was only about $3 that I paid for this. So I'm not really going to count it towards the budget since it's something I already had. But I think she's going to like it to put her little, you know, hair ties, lip gloss, stuff like that into her bags because she did mention she wants to get more organized with her bag organization. Another thing I picked up, I picked up a while ago, not a while ago, maybe a month or two ago, maybe a month and a half ago, at Bath & Body Works. It is one of my favorite scents from them, Marshmallow Fireside. This is just their single wick jar candle. The retail on these is $14.50, but I did get these, I think when they were 50% off, and then I had a 20% coupon, so I think I paid about $5 for this, and she really does like the scent. I'm pretty sure when I bought this, I also got this. I actually bought a few of these. 2 of them I have already gifted. This is the Bath & Body Works Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte like lip gloss. The retail is $8.50, but again, I had a coupon. And I did buy a few of these. I think I ended up paying, I don't know, $4 or $5 for it or something, maybe closer to $5. Also from my gift closet, I grabbed this scent because I know she's going to love this scent. I've actually heard her even talk about this scent from there. I know she really likes the hand soap in the Black Cherry Merlot. This I got at the semi-annual sale, I think in the summer. So a few months ago. I've used this before. This is their moisturizing body wash, and I really like their ones in the big tube like this. Retail is $12.50, but it's pretty irrelevant because the semi-annual sale, this was 75% off, plus I had a 20% off coupon, so I think I paid literally $2 for this huge tube, and I know she's going to love it. And the last thing was completely, I honestly think, meant to be. So she is definitely a big planner girl, and she likes this brand, the Happy Planner, which I know a lot of people who plan, this is like, you know, a household name to them. I saw this, I was just looking in the clearance section It's like a huge aisle with clearance from every department, I think, except for food. And I noticed it had a $5 sticker on it. And I definitely did a double take because I am familiar with this brand, and I saw that it was a 2022, so I thought like maybe it's a mistake because, I don't know, I just almost felt like it was too good to be true. But you guys saw I just showed you the price tag. The original price on this is $24.98, so let's call it like $25, and it was marked down to $5. Again, I don't know if somebody messed up. There were, I don't know, maybe 10 of these. I contemplated buying more as gifts, but I know most people, if they are into planners, they like to pick their own planner. They have a certain style and format and layout that they like. But I know this particular friend likes this particular type of planner, the vertical one. I know she likes this Happy Planner brand because she loves like the stickers and everything. And this size is pretty much identical to the size she had for 2021 because I've seen her planner. So this is obviously 2022, so it's coming up. Literally brand new. It still has that plastic like protective thing to bind all the sleeves or all the pages together. For $5, I just could not pass it up. My thought process is, even if she already, for whatever reason, has a planner for 2022, which I do not believe she does, this could be a backup. I know some people who plan have multiple planners for multiple different things. I just personally have one, and I just use like a basic Walmart Mead brand planner because I don't do all the stickers and layouts and everything. It's just not my cup of tea. I could never get into it. But she is definitely all about that life. So I really think she'll like this. It has like a nice hard shell plastic, like vinyl coated cover, and again, it's completely brand new, nice and crisp, and this is the size she likes. So I'm really just hoping that she likes this, she can enjoy it. I could not believe that it was $5. Obviously, if this had been normal price $25, it wouldn't have worked for this budget, but this is everything that's going into the basket. The only finishing touch I'm going to do, which I am not going to show, is I'm just going to put a little note card, you know, a little happy birthday card with her name. I'm just going to tuck it into, you know, all the stuff. And then I'm going to get a big piece of cello from like a craft store, and I'm going to put the whole, I'm going to enclose the whole basket in a piece of cello and then put some ribbon so everything can be contained. Hopefully that makes sense. That clear cello. I'm just going to go to like Michael's or Joann's and grab that. I'm actually probably going to get, hopefully they have a package of it because I want to do more gift baskets of this size, which I'll need that big piece of cello to fit around the whole basket and give me room on top to tie it with ribbon. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I, again, wasn't planning on filming it, but it is a birthday gift that I'm giving to my girlfriend, so obviously it can be used for anyone. I always just say when you're making a gift basket, have a budget, think about the types of things that person likes. Usually if it's a close friend or a family member, you know the things they really love and get excited for, and kind of just go with that as your direction to figure out, based on your budget, what kinds of things you can add to their basket. But thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, I have an entire playlist of gifting and holiday related ideas similar to this one in all different price points, linked down below. It'll also pop up on the screen here if you want to check it out for more ideas. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.